So you could still buy that house with you as on a traditional lender or a loan with like 20% down as an investment property. It just take more money out of pocket, right? So you'd have to put 20% down, so that's 120 grand out of pocket, and then you're carrying a $480,000 note. And I don't know what the numbers look like on that, if that cash flows or not, but if if it's close to breaking even at that point, or you put enough money down so that it just takes a little bit more cash in the deal to do that. But it still works out if you're going to go buy a house anyway as a rental, and you want to look at it as adding income to one property.
Yeah, so my question isn't just to buy that house and make money off the house, because the project is you're going to split off the lot and you're going to put the triplex, I think, in
Yep.
the EDU. So if you wanted to be able to build all of that, you want to be able to do the whole thing, about how much equity we want.
So you'd have to do your, say, 20% down on the original purchase. You're going to split the lot. You're going to be in that lot for basically $0. I know construction lenders that'll lend with no money, no extra money out of pocket. They'll even carry the interest on that. You can do that all day for no extra money out of pocket. You do want to have cash to be able to, because construction is very cash heavy. So you can get construction loans, but those typically reimburse you. So you have to spend, 50 grand a month to do that first. But so you want to have some extra cash there, but you could probably be in that deal for 120 grand out of pocket, plus some liquidity there to help you out.
And that's like 50% of the land value, right? That's what
Yeah.
what the bank will see, half the land
It's not a
value.
needle in a haystack deal. You can do deals like
There's-
that all the time.
Yeah, Michelle and I were talking about this earlier. I see probably a deal every week or two where I can't do it because it's either this deal I wouldn't do on my own because it's my resources. I do, medium-sized developments. I do I have a couple of 10 and 20 unit townhome projects. I have some other, bigger projects and single lots, but it doesn't necessarily make sense for me, but an investor, if they want to add units as rentals, there's projects out there right now that you can do that with 100%. And if they're not right now, there'll be one in a week. There's literally every week or every 2 weeks I see a deal that you can do the same thing with.
And Caldwell is amending their comp plan January 23rd of 2025 to adopt the new comp plan, which is going to be a similar thing to what happened to Boise and shake up the zoning stuff. Yeah, we're kind of bullish in Caldwell right now. Okay. We're doing a lot of marketing anyways to find deals in there. So just so everyone knows, but there's enough deals out there for everyone. So we're not trying to keep it a secret. Never.